Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum with LED headlights. XL Dust Cup, lightweight, perfect for pet hair pickup. Converts to a hand vacuum, powerful suction, thorough deep carpet cleaning, and powerful pet hair pickup on all surfaces. Lightweight versatility. Ultra lightweight and converts into a handheld vacuum for versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Perfect for pets. Includes specialized pet tools that capture embedded pet hair on all surfaces, while extending reach into hard-to-access areas. XL Dust Cup Capacity. The 0.68 quart dust cup allows for extended cleaning without interruption. LED headlights. Powerful lights on the handheld vacuum and nozzle reveal hidden debris and pet hair around your home. What's included? Shark Rocket Deluxe